One way to add test steps to your test is to use the step builder in Test Studio. If you already have the element and are using it in other tests, or if you've added the element manually, first start by selecting an element from the element repository. Or if you highlight a specific step that's using an element, it will automatically select it for you in the element repository. So when we click on the password step, it points to the password field. When we click on the submit step, it points to the submit button. So now that we've selected the element, we can utilize the step builder and create new action steps against that element, like a click step, or if it was an input field, an enter text step. We can also verify if the element exists or is visible or has a certain content value, as well as other attributes and even stylistic and more superficial types of verifications as well. We can make sure the button is the right color and font and location on the page if that's needed to. For this example, we'll use the sign and submit button and create a verification to make sure it is enabled prior to clicking it. This will add strength to our test and make it more bulletproof. So we've highlighted the step that uses the submit button, which in turn selects the submit button for us in the element repository. Now we can use the step builder tab, and selecting verifications, we can simply do an enabled verification. You can either double click from here or just click the add step and you'll see your new step added to the test. And now we have the verification to make sure that the sign in button is enabled before it's clicked. There are many different options in the step builder, and by selecting the element from the element repository or the test step that uses it, you can quickly and easily add many different options and enhance your tests greatly, including JavaScript events, scroll actions, many mouse actions like right click and hover over, quick actions as well. In the verification section, the basic exist, visible, content-based verifications, as well as those that are more stylistic, things like font and color and display options. Our common menu under Step Builder has Test to Step. There are many great steps at your fingertips within our common section. Our conditional logic will help you build very advanced tests, where you may even have tests within tests, known as Test to Step, and even dialog handlers. So you can quickly and easily add steps to your test, make your tests more bulletproof just by using the elements that you already have without having to be in a live record.